Welcome to CleanWard, Madison's premier wash, fold, and commercial laundry partner. We're all about clean laundry done right. We offer a fast, simple, and reliable laundry experience. We use high-efficiency machines and eco-friendly care with a 24 to 48-hour turnaround time, and same-day service is available. Our core services include wash and fold for busy families and professionals, self-service for locals, and pickup and delivery for maximum convenience seekers across Dane County. We offer reliable, high-quality care for local Madison businesses, like restaurants and salons, and quick, dependable linen and towel turnovers for short-term rentals. This semester, UW-Madison students can skip laundry day with affordable weekly pickup plans. Busy Madison families can also reclaim their weekends by letting us handle the household volume. Our wash and fold service is simple. Choose your service, we handle the rest using high-efficiency machines and eco-friendly detergents, and then you pick up your fresh laundry within 24 to 48 hours. This video details our campaign rollout, focusing on engaging our community across every channel. On average, you spend 3+ hours every week doing laundry. Reclaim your weekend. It only takes 2 minutes to drop off your laundry bags at our Madison facility. Let us handle the heavy lifting. Our Instagram promo asset focuses on B2C. Drop off your laundry by 11 a.m. and get it back the same day. Nothing beats a perfectly folded stack of clean laundry. Our Facebook promo asset targets B2B and community groups. We offer dependable, fast, and always fresh commercial laundry and VRBO linen services with free pickup and delivery. We've created a blog post called The Ultimate Guide to Turnover Day for Madison Airbnb Hosts to detail our VRBO laundry services and the ROI of outsourcing your bedding wash. Ready to make laundry day easier? We are located at 701 East Johnson Street, downtown Madison. Contact us to schedule a pickup or stop by. We're open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.